Hello, my name is Martínez. I'm from CIP's MCC course, and through this video I will be teaching you how to cube a material in the milling machine. To cube a material in the milling machine, the first thing we must do is identify the two parallel superficies that are in the best condition. Then we proceed to hold the material by these two surfaces with the press of the milling machine. After this, what we have to do is plan the first surfaces, which is the one at the top. For this, we must bear in mind that it is necessary to remove the least amount of material possible, ensuring that it is from a flat and well-polished surfaces. Then we proceed to plan it. Once surface number 1 is done, we proceed to make the surfaces number 2. For that, we support on the number 1 surfaces and we continue to hold onto the ones we were previously. Then we proceed to make the surface number 2, taking it to the established measure. Now we already have two parallel surfaces for planet, which we're going to take as reference to make the other. We hold the pieces for these two sides. We proceed to machine any of the 4 remaining faces. This will be surfaces number 3, and it must to be perpendicular to the two faces which we are holding. Now we proceed to plan surface number 4. For this, we take surface number 3 as a base, which is parallel to it, and we continue holding by surface 1 and 2 as we did previously. We continue making surface number 5. For this, we continue holding with face number 1 and 2. How we see, this surface will be perpendicular to face 1 and 2, but not to 3 and 4. To achieve this perpendicular, we must use a square. What we must do is take the square and glue it from the bottom of the press and the base. As we will see here, there is space. We have to reduce this space to the minimum by tapping. Once there is not more space, face number 5 will be perpendicular to the other 4 faces. And we proceed to mechanize. Now we will make our last surface, the surface number 6. For this, we take as base the face number 5 and we continue holding by the face number 1 and number 2. For this face, we will not use the square because we are using the surface number 5 as a base. Then, since the other faces are perfectly perpendicular to this face, they will also be to the face number 6 because surface number 5 and number 6 must be parallel. And we proceed to mechanize the last face. Once this is done, we will have our material perfectly cubed. Whenever we are going to make any piece on the milling machine, we start from a cube with the base measurement. That is why it is very important to learn how to do it.